Dreaming of living a carefree, fun and casually elegant lifestyle? Then this is the home you've been dreaming of. This pristine home is better than new because all the custom millwork, painting, lighting and window treatments have been tastefully selected and installed to create that casually elegant atmosphere. This popular Tribeca floor plan is the perfect size with 3 bedrooms and a den. An elegant foyer with coffered ceiling leads to the heart of the home with a spacious great room that is open to the kitchen. The light-filled kitchen has ample counter space including a large counter bar. Across from kitchen is an expansive formal dining room, creating a perfect flow for entertaining. The home sits on an oversized 8,602 square feet lot with an enchanting lake view. There is plenty of room for a pool. 1-year home warranty is included for a worry-free purchase. Riverstone offers a social, vacation-inspired lifestyle for all ages. The amenity center includes fitness facilities, a social hall, resort and Naples with cabanas, spa, 5 lighted Har-Tru tennis courts, basketball and pickleball court, and tot lot. With a full-time activities director, now is the time to enjoy all Riverstone has to offer.